Hey everyone, Jane here at Attrell Toyota here in Brampton, and right now you are looking at the 2019 Corolla LE with a standard package. Now this particular vehicle is in silver, however it does come available in a variety of colors, and I will list them in the description below. But what I'm going to do for you right now is give you a quick little walk around the exterior. I'm going to show you as many features as I possibly can, and then I'm going to bring you inside. Also keep in mind throughout this video that if there's any information that I haven't touched on, or if you'd just like to know more about the vehicle, please feel free to leave a comment in the section below and I will try to answer them all to the best of my ability. So starting at the front here, we have this beautiful black grille. It is very sleek for the LE Corollas. You do have your chrome Toyota badge, which does have a bit of a gloss covering over it, and that is just because it supports our Toyota safety sense. We have our LED headlights. And on the sides here, we have 16-inch steel wheels, and they do have silver hubcaps. You have color key door handles. The fuel cap will be on the driver's side of the vehicle. You have LED taillights on the rear here as well, and of course your chrome badges. You have black outlining all of your windows. And lastly, your side view mirrors are also color keyed. So there you have it, everyone, the exterior of the 2019 Corolla LE with a standard package. Let's go inside. So just before I bring you inside of this beautiful sedan, I just wanted to show you what your key fob is going to look like. As you can see, you have your lock, unlock, as well as your trunk button on there as well. But what we're going to do right now is just click that unlock button, which is going to allow you right into the vehicle. And on the driver's door here, you have your controls for your power windows as well as your power locks. Just underneath, there's a spot for bottle storage as well as some regular storage. Let's go completely inside and start the vehicle up for you so that everything works. Again, on the left-hand side of our steering wheel here, you have your side view mirror controls. This is a windshield wiper de-icer, which is a fantastic feature in the winter. Just down here is where you can pop your hood, and for your trunk and gas cap, it's just there on the floor. Or as I mentioned, you also have the button on your key fob. Turn down my fan a little bit so you don't have to listen to that the whole time. On the steering wheel, it is tilt and telescopic adjustable. You do have tons of audio controls, including your volume up and down, your down and up arrows. You have your mode button, your pickup and your hang up for Bluetooth. You have your voice recognition, which works absolute wonders. And this display button is for your multi-information display, which is right there in the center of your dash. So simply by clicking through it, you can see all the different settings in there. Just underneath that, these two are part of our Toyota Safety Sense, which I'm very happy to announce does come standard across all 2019 Toyota Corolla models. You have your cruise control down here, which works with this button here, which is our dynamic radar cruise control. Now I know a lot of people are very curious as to how that works and or if they can deactivate it. So much so that we've actually made a secondary video on our YouTube channel that is simply for the dynamic radar cruise control. So if that is something you're interested in, go ahead and type that into our search bar and there's a full walkthrough with one of our technology experts. This one here is our lane departure alert, and it does have steering assist. And there's actually two other features that make up Toyota Safety Sense besides those. We also have a pre-collision system with pedestrian detect. And lastly, we have automatic high beams. So absolutely fantastic safety features in the 2019 Corollas. In the center here, you do have a 6.1-inch touchscreen display. It does come integrated with AM, FM, as well as a CD player, USB input, auxiliary input, and Bluetooth. And another safety feature, we have a backup camera. Just underneath that screen is where you can find your automatic climate control with the air conditioning, of course. So there's 3 toggles. This one's going to be your temperature, this one's your fan, and this one's your directional. Of course, all of your buttons are just off to the side. Just beneath that is where you can find your heat seat controls for both your front driver and front passenger seat with both high and low settings. And this is also where your USB input, auxiliary input, and a charging outlet is located. It is a CVT transmission in this vehicle, and we do have your traction control button right here for you. You have 2 giant cup holders down the center, and your e-brake will be a hand brake. Our center console here has a tray in the top, as well as a little bigger of a compartment underneath. And as for the seats, they are done in a beautiful bucket seat with a cloth material, and they have this like tri-color thing going on. Absolutely stunning and also very comfortable. Up top, you have dual overhead illuminated vanity mirrors, and that pretty much sums up the front seat of the 2019 Corolla LE with a standard package. Bringing you into the rear seat of the Corolla, as you can see, that tri-colored seat is carried throughout, and again, it's not just comfortable, it's also quite eye-catching. We also have contoured front seat backs in this vehicle. So this seat is set to about where I would drive, and I'm about 5'8". And as you can see, I still have a bit of leg space between, space between my legs and the seat in front of me. So it's a very spacious rear seat. You also have a seat back pocket in your passenger side seat, bottle holders in both the doors. Of course, the ability of opening and closing your own windows. We have a little storage compartment right here for you. And if you only have 2 or 1 person in the back seat, you can fold this down, which gives you access to 2 cup holders as well as an armrest. So there you have it, the rear seat of the 2019 Corolla. Cargo space. I know many people are skeptical about sedan cargo spaces. Well, let me tell you, the Corolla has provided you with tons of it. If you are someone that daily commutes to school or to work, you could definitely fit more than enough back here. If you're someone that likes to go on little weekend camping trips or little getaways, you could probably fit about a week's worth of materials back here if you are a tenter. Now, we do have a 60/40 folding back seat as well. So if you are someone who likes to golf or snowboard or just wants to help a friend move and you don't think that the trunk is going to provide you with enough space, you can go ahead and either flip down the 60 half or the 40 half, fit that longer gear and still have room for some passengers. Or of course you have the option of flipping both of those seats down. You will eliminate the back seats, but you will definitely extend that cargo space. Now, of course, the part that you were all waiting for, the engine. Underneath the hood here, you are looking at our 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine. It does have 16 valves as well as dual variable valve timing with intelligence. Now, I know everyone is asking 2 questions, and the answer to both of those questions is yes. First one being, does it provide you with a really fun ride? Absolutely. And the second one is it fuel efficient? Well, this engine sits at about 7.9 liters for 100 kilometers combined on the road and highway. So there you have it, my friends, the beautiful 2019 Corolla LE with the standard package. Now, if you do like what you're watching, go check out our YouTube channel because we have tons of videos of all the cars, trucks, and SUVs that we have here on the lot, plus some extras. Also, don't forget to press like, subscribe, and share them with your friends. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, all under Attrell Toyota. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great one.